Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a fantastic product that promises to enhance your tablet experience. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or working, the KABCON Tablet Stand Holder is designed to meet your needs. Let's explore its features and see if it lives up to the hype. The KABCON Tablet Stand Holder is a versatile accessory that supports devices ranging from 4 to 14 inches. This includes popular models like the iPad Pro, Samsung Galaxy Tabs, and Kindle Fire. Its compatibility makes it a great choice for anyone with multiple devices. No more struggling to find the right stand. This one fits them all. One of the standout features of this stand is its adjustable tightness. Using the included 4mm Allen wrench, users can customize the degree of tightness to their preference. This means you can set it up to be as sturdy as you need, ensuring your device stays secure. Plus, the stand allows for both vertical and horizontal viewing angles, making it perfect for any activity. Constructed from a spaceflight Altai alloy and high-strength alloy steel, the KABCON stand is both lightweight and durable. This sturdy construction ensures that it can withstand daily use without compromising on stability. However, it's worth noting that the clamp is made of plastic, which may raise some concerns for durability. In addition to its robust build, this stand promotes a smart lifestyle. It's ideal for various activities, whether you're playing games, watching movies, or even video recording. The flexibility it offers makes it a valuable addition to any workspace or entertainment setup. In conclusion, the KABCON Tablet Stand Holder is a reliable and adjustable solution for all your tablet needs. Its sturdy construction and compatibility with multiple devices make it a must-have accessory. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product insights. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.